In this video we're going to have a last look at multiplication. Calculate 23 times 30. There is a problem that learners make when they're trying to set this working, where they'll do 23 multiplied by 30. They'll do 3 times nothing is nothing, 2 times 3 is 6, so 23 multiplied by 30 is 60. And hopefully we can see that that is absolute nonsense, makes no sense whatsoever, garbage. So what we try and encourage our learners to do is we try and break it down a little bit. So instead of doing 23 times 30, we'll do 23, multiply that by 10, then multiply that by 3, because multiplying by 10 and then by 3 is the same as multiplying by 30. 23 multiplied by 10 is 230, and we're multiplying that by 3, and then learners may need to do a calculation like this at the side, 230 multiplied by 3, and we would get the answer of 690. But splitting it down into these parts here is crucial to help learners kind of understand and get more success instead of this garbage up here. 5.67 multiplied by 70, so once again we're just going to split this up into 5.67 multiplied by 10, multiply that by 7, because multiplying by 10 and by 7 is the same as multiplying by 70. So we'll do 5.67 multiplied by 10, so our 5.67 will move one place to the left in our place value. That will give us 56.7, which we need to multiply by 7, which we can just set out at the side, 56.7 multiplied by 7. Okay, make sure we align our decimal point. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. We carry our 4 above. 7 6s are 42, plus 4 is 46. Carry our 4. 7 5s are 35, plus 4, 39. So our answer to this problem is 396.9. Thank you very much.